The Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just a motorcycle, it's a legend reborn. Known worldwide for its unmatched speed and aerodynamic design, the latest Hayabusa carries forward its legacy with sharper styling and more intelligent engineering. Its aggressive front end, LED headlights, and sculpted body lines scream performance even when standing still. Coated in bold dual-tone colors with subtle metallic flakes, it turns heads at every corner. Every angle reflects purpose, precision, and prestige. Underneath its sleek shell lies a 1,340cc inline-4 engine, refined for smoother power delivery and stronger mid-range torque. It may be more controlled than its wild predecessors, but it's just as thrilling. Accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds, the Hayabusa delivers pure adrenaline. Suzuki's advanced ride-by-wire system, bidirectional quickshifter, and selectable riding modes make every ride feel dialed in, whether you're carving twisties or flying down the highway. Step into the cockpit and you'll find a balance of old-school analog charm and modern tech. The signature dual-dial speedometer and tachometer flank a vibrant TFT display that gives you real-time data, including lean angle, gear position, and ride mode. It's not just functional, it's a rider's command center. With an ergonomically designed seat and improved wind protection, long rides are more comfortable and controlled than ever. The Hayabusa is more than performance. It's presence. It's a machine that commands respect, not just for what it can do, but for what it represents. Over 2 decades of dominance, precision engineering, and timeless design. Whether you're a longtime fan or a first-time rider, one twist of the throttle tells you everything you need to know. This isn't just a superbike, it's the Hayabusa.